Let's be real. What worked for app marketing in 2024 won't cut it in 2025. Ad costs through the roof. Privacy updates making measurement harder. So, you've got two choices: adapt or watch your return on ad spend disappear. But while others are scrambling, you're about to get ahead. Hey, I'm Zoe from AppsFlyer, and today I'm breaking down 7 app marketing strategies that will drive more installs, reduce CPIs, and keep your app growing in 2025. Let's get into it. Your app can't grow if people can't find it. The fundamentals of ASO, visibility, relevance, and conversion haven't changed. But how you execute ASO in 2025, that's evolving fast. With 7 million apps in the stores, competition is fierce. Manual ASO isn't enough anymore. AI-powered ASO is analyzing user behavior, monitoring competitors, and optimizing keywords in real time, so you rank higher and convert more installs. And it's not just about Apple and Google anymore. Samsung and Huawei app stores are scaling fast, with less competition, lower CPIs, and growing user bases. The smartest user acquisition teams aren't just fighting for the same users, they're expanding into new spaces. And that same mindset applies to paid channels too. Meta and Google are still crucial players in the game, but smart marketers are going beyond the usual channels to drive installs at lower CPIs. TikTok, retail media, audio ads, and CTV are all scaling fast, offering high-intent audiences and new growth opportunities. Retail media networks, for example, are surging. In 2024, Amazon ads hit $46 billion, and Walmart Connect grew 40%, driven by first-party shopping data that enhances targeting precision. The key? Diversify now. The brands seeing the lowest CPIs in 2025 aren't waiting. They're already testing, optimizing, and scaling into these new channels. Not sure where to start? Pick 1 or 2 channels and test them with a small percentage of your UA budget. Scale based on results. And don't just measure installs. Monitor down-funnel engagement and revenue metrics like LTV. The goal isn't just more users, it's high-value users. But beyond where you spend ad dollars, one of the biggest overlooked opportunities is your own traffic. Every paid click, that's an acquisition cost. But owned traffic, from your website, social, email, and SMS, are free installs waiting to happen. And brands are doubling down on it. In 2024, owned media conversions increased by 64% year-on-year, with web-to-app growth surging 77%. So, how are brands doing it? Smart banners convert web visitors into app users seamlessly. QR codes drive installs from offline touchpoints like stores, restaurant menus, and product packaging. And influencer and social campaigns turn engaged audiences into app users. The key? Deep linking behind every campaign. No friction. Users go straight to the right in-app content, or the App Store first if needed, increasing conversion rates. If you're not leveraging your owned media, you're leaving installs on the table, and that includes traffic from your partnerships too. Ads? Consumers are tuning them out more than ever. That's why influencer marketing continues to scale. But in 2025, brands are focusing on measurable impact. With referral links backed by deep linking, you can measure which influencers are actually driving app installs and double down on what's working. And bigger isn't always better. Micro-influencers with 10 to 50,000 followers can drive up to 3.5 times more engagement and cost less per install. It's not just about finding influencers. It's about finding the right ones who align with your target audience's values and bring high-intent users into your app. And once you have engaged users, the smartest brands are turning them into their next big acquisition channel. But we'll dive into that after our next strategy. Third-party measurement is evolving fast. With Scan, Privacy Sandbox, and new regulations, brands are shifting their focus toward first-party data to improve targeting and engagement. The best apps are building direct relationships with users, giving them reasons to share data through exclusive features, personalized experiences, and special offers. First-party data is a huge topic, and we've got a full guide breaking down the strategy. Check out the link in the description. But first-party data is only valuable if you use it right. If a user installs but doesn't register, guide them with onboarding ads. If they're highly engaged, turn them into advocates with referral incentives, which leads straight into our next strategy. Your most valuable installs come from engaged users. Referrals cut acquisition costs and create viral loops, but a basic invite a friend feature won't cut it anymore. The best apps gamify it. Leaderboards, streaks, exclusive rewards, all designed to keep users engaged and sharing. And it's not just about getting more referrals, it's about getting better ones. Use measurable, deep links to monitor what users do inside the app after installing. Test different incentives to find out what drives high-value users, not just cheap downloads. But even the best strategy won't work if you can't measure what's working. The mobile ecosystem has undergone a seismic shift. Privacy restrictions have led to a major loss of user-level data signals. The result? Data is more fragmented than ever, making measurement and optimization harder. But the industry isn't standing still. MMPs and media companies have adapted, developing new ways to fill the gaps. AppsFlyer, for one, combines data modeling, first-party data, and creative insights, stitching fragmented signals into a single source of truth, so you can keep measuring, optimizing, and maximizing ROAS in 2025. App marketing isn't getting easier, it's getting smarter. The strategies that worked last year? Outdated. The ones we covered today? That's how you drive installs in 2025. Now it's on you. Are you testing these or getting left behind? Drop a comment on what you're trying first. And if you want real app growth strategies, no fluff, subscribe for more content to help you drive app growth. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.